Adding liquid silicon to your nutrient solution will provide many benefits for your plants, significantly improving their strength and boosting overall health. Yet despite these obvious plus points, one factor that continues to put some growers off silicon is an uncertainty surrounding how to correctly use it. This short guide will show you the right way to mix silicon with your nutrients and additives. Silicon is an exceptional element. It gives you physically stronger plants, increasing their tolerance to pests, disease, and harsh environments, whilst also preventing nutrient deficiencies. We're going to feature Shogun silicon here, but the same method applies to all liquid silicon products. As always, work with dechlorinated water, either by letting your tap water stand for 24 hours beforehand, or by including a few drops of EcoThrive Neutralize prior to application, or by using RO water from a filter. Do not add any nutrients while filling your tank with water. Also consider setting up a water pump to keep your water moving and oxygenated. To account for the high pH value of silicon, check the pH level of your water first. We are using a Blue Lab pH pen for this. If it's too high, adjust down to 7.0. If it's below 7, you can continue. Next, add your silicon. After this, adjust your pH value back to 7.0. Only adjust pH in one direction, up or down, so do this gradually and until you're at the right level. Once your mixture is at pH 7, introduce your nutrients. The solution should still look nice and clear. Mission accomplished. You can now further adjust your pH to a level that is optimum for your plants. Handily, the exact same technique can be copied for PK additives. Okay then, what happens when things go wrong? The major mistake people make for silicon is to add it in their solution after the base nutrients. Doing so turns the mixture white and cloudy, and soon after, white crystalline structures start to form in the bottom of the tank. This unwanted reaction stems from silicon's high pH value, meaning that elements aren't absorbed by your plants. The crystalline sediment can also lead to blocked up pipes and lines, another unnecessary headache. At best, you're left to rue a waste of nutrient. At worst, a growing system reduced in its effectiveness. Neither of these outcomes are ideal, so follow our simple rules and don't cut corners. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.